it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts. Thank you very much for joining me again today. Today is Tuesday, so it's time for a top tip, and I must thank the amazing Bhavan Patel, known as Baz Patel, who is kind of our team mascot in the Pinky team. So she's one of my Stampin' Up sisters, for want of a better phrase, and she has got the most amazing tip, which I have to share with you. Dimensional backings. So let's just pop some dimensions on the back of this piece of card, and I'm going to have some minis and some large. And you know how it is when you peel the backing off and you get distracted and then you go, hang on, I've got a dozen dimensionals, which ones have I peeled, which ones I haven't, and you kind of end up patting them. A line. Just draw a line with a simple biro, ordinary pen, something that's going to be indelible on shiny paper. Draw a line, and then look, if you know you've got a line, you know you've got to take the backing off. How simple! It's just amazing. So that's frankly all I've got to share with you today. Get your dimensionals, get a ruler, get an ordinary pen, and just draw on your dimensional backings, and never again will you struggle to know which dimensionals you've taken the backs off and which you still have to peel, because there will be a line, and if there's a line it needs to go, and if there isn't a line it's already gone. And for the sake of a few minutes, every time you open your pack of dimensionals, just draw the lines on the back and you're done. So the very shortest, I think, top tip I have ever done. How to make sure you know if you've taken the backings off your dimensionals. Thank you very much indeed for watching. If you found that helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Do remember, we're in the last days of celebration. So please don't miss out on free product. If you're still thinking about joining my team, you've got until the 31st of March to sign up. Until the 31st of March, you will get, instead of £130 of product, you will get £170 of product in your starter kit. And let me get I was hoping I would be able to find the Euro version of that, but needless to say I can't find it instantly. But you get the same equivalent in euros. So for the UK, for £99, £170 of product instead of £130. If you would like the craft and carry tote, which is amazing, instead of the £47 that existing demonstrators had to pay when we were allowed to buy it, which we're now not, when we were allowed to buy it back in the back end of last year, we paid £47. You can add it to your starter kit for just £26. So in the UK that would be £125, would include £170 of product, a starter business kit, just in case you would like to start this as a business, plus the craft and carry tote, which is valued at £47. If you don't want to start this as a business, but you regularly buy from Stampin' Up, becoming a demonstrator is a brilliant way of saving 20% off the net retail price of all of your products for as long as you keep up the minimums. And the minimums equate to about a cup of coffee a day. So they're very achievable. There's lots of information about that over on my website. The link to this blog post is immediately below. Thank you very much indeed for watching, and I hope to hear from you soon, and I hope you will be back to see me again very soon. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye!